Hindi na makatao yan. Makahayop na yan. Mas masahol pa sa hayop yung ginagawa mo. Masyado mo yung minaltrato. Habang buhay na siya mabubulag. Hindi mo pa naintindihan kung sa'yo ginawa yun. The motion of Senator Tulfo with regard to the contempt against Mr. Pablo Ruiz.
OSAA is hereby directed to cause the detention.
Would like to move for reconsideration of the order given by the Honorable Chairman.
Kapag taas ng boses.
Kaya siguro kami nagtataas ng boses dahil nagsisinungaling ka. Wala naman kami karapatan magtaas ng boses kung talaga mga totoo ang mga sinasabi mo. Nagtataas kami ng boses dahil nagsisinungaling kayo. Nakita mo na ba yung tsura niya? Lahat ng testigo, tinuturo ikaw. Ikaw, at wala nang iba, kundi ikaw. Ilan testigo yung mga nandito ngayon? 5, 6, 7, 7. Pitong testigo nagsasabang ikaw mismo nagmaltrato dito kay Manang LV. Paano hindi tataas ang boss namin? Pare kasinungalingan na sinasabi mo. At meron pa tayong polygraph test na nagsasabi nagsisinungaling ka. Oh. Ilan yan? 7. Ikaw, sino testigo mo? Meron ka ba presenter rito? Na testigo? Na magko-corroborate sa'yo sa mga sinasabi mo? Nasasangayon sa mga sinasabi mo? Meron ka ba dinala? Kung meron ka dinala, di sana pinakinggan namin. Oh. Itong mga ito, naglabasa na lang ito dahil naawa kay Aling LV. Hindi naman namin sila inimbite. Nagkusang loob sila pumunta rito para magtestigo sa ginagawa mong maltrato rito kay Aling LV. Makatao ba yung ginagawa mo? Hindi na makatao yan. Makahayop na yan. Mas masahol pa sa hayop yung ginagawa mo.
Maybe as a gentleman to refrain from and probably just exercise objectivity and cooler heads without offense, Senator Estrada. Alam niyo, Senator Estrada, kasi siya yung gumawa ng kasambahay law. Kaya ayaw niya rin na makita yung nagawang batas na hindi nasusunod at hindi umiiral.
Hindi lang yan, Mr. Chair. Kaya naman, I'm sorry for raising my voice. Kaya naman talaga ako umiinit ang ulo ko, tumataas ang boss ko. Dahil nakikita ko itong tao na masyado mo minaltrato. Habang buhay na siya mabubulag. Hindi mo pa naintindihan kung sa'yo ginawa yun. Habang buhay ka mabubulag, matutuwa ka? Matutuwa yung mga kapatid mo? Matutuwa yung mga anak mo? Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung tsura. Nung pumasok sa'yo si Aling LV, hindi ganyan yung tsura niya. Ilan taon na kayo, Aling LV? 44 years old lang. Pero tingnan mo yung tsura niya. Parang mas matanda pa sa akin. Parang 70 years old na, 80 years old na sa ginawa ninyo. Sa ginawa mo in particular. Hindi na makatao yan.
Senator Estrada, you can have your water also, my dear colleague.
Mr. Chair, I would like to second the motion of Senator Tulfo with regard to the contempt against Mr. Pablo Ruiz.
Approves the detention of Mr. Pablo Ruiz under the same conditions, and the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to facilitate the implementation of the same subject to the appropriate medical examinations, right of visitation by relatives, as well as the right to counsel. So, approve in open session given this day of the 25th of September 2023. OSAA is hereby directed to cause the detention.
Ni Brenda, ano ang status ng kaso nito mga ito?
And hindi po ito tungkol sa bata.
Hindi, tungkol dito sa mag-asawa.
Yes, Your Honor, the respondents have submitted their counter affidavit so for final investigation report na po.
You file charges immediately.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright, thank you.
Attorney,
Your Honor, this representation would like to seek reconsideration of both orders, Your Honor. Considering that the spouses, Your Honor, have 2 children, one is a minor and another is 18 years of age, should both of them be sent for detention, Your Honor. At the same time, the two children will be left, Your Honor, alone in the said residence and without any means of livelihood at this time and without having made any arrangements for the welfare of both children, Your Honor. This
They have
representation-
visitation rights, attorney. They can visit their parents.
Can you rephrase and repeat
I
what
would-
you've said, attorney?
This representation, Your Honor, would like to move for reconsideration of the order given by the Honorable Chairman, considering that the spouses have two children, Your Honor. One is 17 years of age and another is 18 years, without anyone taking care of them, Your Honor. And given this development, this would force the said children to stop going to school and most likely, Your Honor, to languish in despair, considering that there would be no adult of sufficient age to take care for.
Wala
for
bang
both of
kapatid
them.
to si Franz who can take care of the kids?
We
Di
would
ba? Alam ko meron kang kapatid, di ba? Franz?
we will
That can take care of your children.
we would diligently search for relatives, Your Honor, if this representation will not be, if this motion will be denied, Your Honor. But at the moment, Your Honor, the two children are alone without anyone to take
They
care
have visitation rights. They can, in fact, if the children wants to join them in sleeping with them, we will allow it. We will allow them to sleep with the parents.
If that is the pleasure of this honorable committee, Your
We
Honor,
give time
I'll
to
just-
the council to consult again with the Ruiz couple. Mag-usap kayo saglit. We'll give you a minute or so. May we ask the Department of Social Welfare, present here, the officials, what interventions can you do to protect the interests of the children? Sinong head ng DSWD? Habang nag-uusap kayo, attorney, sinong head ng DSWD?
Mr. Chair, ako po ay from Occidental Mindoro, PSWDO. Actually, nakikipag-coordinate sa akin si attorney sa CHR para po i-locate yung dalawang bata. So, tatlong beses kami nagpunta sa kanilang bahay. Wala po doon yung si Mr. Ruiz at saka yung dalawang bata. So, naandun naman,
So, ano ibig sabihin po, wala sa bahay?
wala po sa Occidental Mindoro.
Meron kayang kamag-anak na pinuntahan?
Actually, ang kausap po namin yung sister ni Miss Franz, si Nene, na siyang nagtitinda at saka nag-take charge dun sa kanilang tahanan.
Hindi, wala ho kayang nilipatan yung dalawang bata?
Actually, wala po kaming makuhang magandang sagot kasi actually binigay din sa amin ang number ni Sir Ruiz. Pero
Can
hindi rin po
we
namin siya
discuss
na-contact.
this at the conclusion of this hearing in an executive session with CHR and the SWD?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, meron kayong kapatid, Mrs. Ruiz, na naiwan sa inyong lugar. Meron din po kayong kamag-anak kaya na pinuntahan. Hindi pwedeng hindi nyo sagutin to kasi ayaw naman natin mapahamak yung mga bata at we're always after the best interest of your children. Kung merong tinutuluyan sila ngayon dahil di sila makita ng DSWD, ayaw natin silang mapahamak. Gusto pa natin silang matulungan din at mapunta sila sa mabuting kondisyon. So, kung yun ang inaalala ni attorney at meron ka namang alam na pinaglipatan sila na kumupkup sa kanila ngayon, kung ano may tutulong ng DSWD at Commission on Human Rights, hindi po natin naharangin yan. Pagkos gusto pa natin silang matulungan, magpatuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral at mapalagay sila sa mabuting kondisyon habang kayo ay nasa piitan.
Mr. Chair, and besides, if I may interject, Mr. Chair, yung anak ni Franz, yung nagtestigo in executive session, nasa tamang edad na, 18 anyos, alright? At nakatira sa dorm. So, she's already independent. Nakatira sa meron kayo apartment, sariling apartment yata, di ba? Nangungupahan.
The older child, Your Honor, is living in the same apartment in Batangas. However, since the time that the issue broke out, there was no more available housing.
Who is she living with?
At present, Your Honor, she is accompanying Mr. Ruiz in coming to the Senate, Your
No,
Honor.
sinong kasama nung anak niya ron sa Batangas?
From the time that that Mrs. Ruiz was detained, they were both in the custody of the father. So they were following him from Batangas, going back to Pasay and to Batangas again, Your Honor.
Yung kapatid ni Franz.
The sister, Your Honor, is left in Mindoro, Occidental, Your Honor.
To take care of the business.
to take care both of
Or maybe
her,
we can
her
ask
household.
Mrs. Franz to talk to her sister to take care of her children.
Yung isa pa, meron pa isang bata.
Mr. Chair, dalawa po yung anak ko. Sila lang po dito. Kasama nga ni Mr. ngayon nandyan. Kung saan si Mr. dala-dala niya.
Banggitin kasi
Opo.
dapat maprotektahan natin
Opo.
yung mga bata.
Kasi wala po silang kasama.
But the committee, as intimated by Senator Estrada, will provide extra space for the children if they so desire. If the parents would also desire to have the children with them in the premises of the Senate. But again, DSWD, Commission on Human Rights, I think you should both coordinate on how to protect the best interests of the child, how to ensure that they continue with their studies, how to ensure that they have the same allowances received before, and how they should be prevented from being quote-unquote bullied likewise because of the presence of the social media. Hindi po natin gustong sirain yung pag-aaral ng mga anak nyo. Napakalayo po sa isipan ng committee yan. Gusto pa namin maprotektahan yung inyong mga anak. Kaya pinapahintulutan namin po sila na kung gusto nyo makapiling dito sa premises ng Senado, ay yun po ay pahihintulutan. Senator Estrada?
Malaya silang bumisita sa inyo araw-araw, gabi-gabi, minuto. Kung gusto nilang matulog dyan sa Senado, sa inyong piitan, we will not question it. That's enough.
We will submit, Your Honor,
Alright.
and we will coordinate with the CHR regarding the welfare of the children. Although, for the record, we will not be bringing the children to the detention facility since the same may have certain effects, Your Honor, with respect to
May you get opinion of the human rights? Is that acceptable?
Opo.
Yung pagbisita? Kasi meron, hindi naman natin tinatanggal yung visitation rights ng immediate families, especially the minor children. No. Okay naman na matulog sila kung gugustuhin ng mga bata doon
Yes,
sa
Yes, Your Honor.
kahit meron separate room.
There is a separate room para hindi maluwag-luwag naman.
May,
Sa akin to that.
meron bang
General,
separate room yung
may
ano
isang kwarto para
sa mga bata just in
Na
case
hindi
gusto
naman sila
matulog?
nakapiit na may tutulugan lang sila.
May kama or whatever, ha?
So, may kwarto naman na hindi kailangan kasama sila. Yung pwede silang, they're not considered as detainees. They're considered as visitors.
Yun, papayagan namin yun. Buti nga, kaya may
The-
aircon pa, kami wala eh.
the arrangement, Your Honor, that we have in mind would have to be in Batangas so that the children could continue with their school, Your Honor. So going to Pasay would be difficult, Your Honor, since
Will the DSWD supervise the children to ensure that they go to school? Hindi naman yung maglakwat siya na lang o mapabayaan as secondary parents, the DSWD. Can you act as loco parente?
Your Honor, it was turned over already to CSWDO. Yung dalawa pong bata at saka yung pong case ni Nanay LV. So,
CSWDO is here.
yes po.
So, can you take cudgels for the children?
Hello po, good morning po. Yes po, Your Honor. We already conducted po ng school visitation
Yung
last...
school, hindi ibig sabihin nito, pasyalan doon kung saan sila nakatira, siguraduhin pumapasok sila, mapangalagaan din yung kanilang pangangailangan.
Yes po.
Maayos ba yung pananamit nila? Kumakain ba sila? Nag-aaral ba sila? Gumagawa ba ng assignment? Mapasok ba sa school? Hindi lang yung visitation sa school kasi visitation sa school, with all due respect, principal lang yung kausap nyo. Kailangan kausap na rito yung bata.
Apo, yes po. Ang problem lang po, Your Honor, upon home visitation po sa boarding house po nung anak ni Franz, according po dun sa caretaker ay last August 2023 ay wala na daw po doon yung bata. Kaya hindi rin po namin alam, Your Honor, kung presently nasan po yung bata.
Siguro, Council, pwede mong malaman yon at mamaya mag-usap ang DSWD, attorney, at saka si Human Rights para mapangalagaan yung bata. Saan ba talaga ngayon baka natatakot, nagtatago, o nasa ibang kamag-anak? Di ba? So, siguro makakatulong. Wag mo na sabihin dito na naka-broadcast sa lahat para parang executive session kayo ng DSWD Human Rights at ikaw bilang kinatawan ng mag-asawa para masigurado natin na nasa magandang kondisyon yung dalawang bata. At again, kahit nag-aaral sila, yung Saturday and Sunday, pwedeng nandito sa Senado para makasama yung kanilang mga magulang. Hindi natin nahadlangan yon. And we encourage that. We will encourage that. Can we do that, Atty.? Huwag mo nang banggitin kung nasaan sila ngayon at baka hindi maganda at malaman ng nakakarami.
We submit, Your Honor.
And can this be done? Can this be explained, the SWD, to the children who are here? We'll provide a separate room for you. Do a post-hearing counseling. Right now, today, kausapin niyo yung mga bata, ito yung kinalalagyan ngayon, ito yung haharapin, at hindi naman kayo kasama rito, at kayo, bagkos kayo ay tutulungan pa. Can that be done?
Yes po, Your
In the
Honor.
presence of the human rights, in the presence of the parents as well. Although baka medyo emotional yan, alam niyo na siguro yung anong gagawin to, may training naman kayo dyan. Senator Estrada?
Wala na po, Mr. Chair.
So, we heard the council seeking another reconsideration with
I object, Mr. Chair.
the objection coming from Senator Estrada, but again, with the best interests of the child in mind, this committee hereby denies the same. Without objection on the part of my colleagues here, the Committee on Justice and Human Rights for public hearing on the motu proprio inquiry to the severe battery and maltreatment of Kasambahay Ms. L.B. Vergara is hereby adjourned.